March 27th, 2020. It's about 60 degrees and sunny out. It's the first day I've been able to actually take my shirt off and soak up some vitamin D. That sun feels wonderful. The bees are just yoking pollen resources in. I got sidetracked on the radio for a few minutes, but before they were really cranking. They're still bringing in tremendous resources. But I wish I could have caught that swarm, not swarm, but large crowd of bees, I guess, before, because they were really rocking. But you can still see they're bringing in tons of pollen, many different colors coming in, so that means there's at least several different flowers open that they're pulling from. They're building this colony back up at a phenomenal rate, and I think we're going to pull through despite the loss of the other colony, which is excellent news. Really enjoying watching these guys do their thing. I really just can't get enough of watching these guys. Just so fascinating. Anyway, I just thought I'd catch some nice close-ups of these guys bringing pollen in. Very soothing in these interesting times in which we live.